Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how you can install WhatsApp without Play Store on Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So I would say that normally you probably want to head into your Play Store, go into search bar, simply search for WhatsApp and just install it from here. However, there is a very high chance that you can't do that for whatever reason. Usually it's related to having a Huawei phone and not having the ability to use Google-related services, which is quite painful to be honest. But there is actually a way that you can install WhatsApp officially without Play Store. First, we want to head into our browser. For me is my Chrome here, so I will continue with my account. Oh my, can I get access to the Chrome itself? Thank you. And in the Chrome itself, or of course in every other browser you have on your phone, whatever works for you is probably the best, we want to simply start typing in WhatsApp. And as you can see, we already have a suggested WhatsApp download. So we can wait for a moment. Of course, this will be faster if you have better Wi-Fi. I unfortunately have pretty poor Wi-Fi, which is, as you can see, pretty bad, so I'll just pause the recording. And as you can see, somewhere here at the top we should see the official whatsapp.com/download setting. Of course, if you are not using Brave, you might have different results, so you want to make sure that this is indeed the official whatsapp.com, because there are many different sites that offer you pirated versions, basically, that are not official. But we don't really have to do it because we have just the ability to enter the official site and install our applications from here. And as you can see, this is the application we can see. We have plenty of different buttons here, and you'll notice that we actually have 3 or 4 different download buttons. We have download here, install here, get on Google Play here, and finally download WhatsApp directly. Now, usually you probably could click different buttons, but just to be sure, I'm going to simply go into download WhatsApp directly. And now we are going to install the installer for the application. We can even go into details to see how fast we are downloading our application. And as you can see, my Wi-Fi is once again pretty bad, so once again I will just simply pause the recording. And as you can see, we have now installed the file. We can simply click it. And as you can see, we cannot actually install it because of security reasons. So let's enter settings. And we should now be transferred into our browser for choosing, and we can simply enable allow from the source. And now we can simply click install. And we are installing our WhatsApp. Now after it's done installing, we can simply go into open. And as you can see, this is your very typical WhatsApp application. Like, it's exactly the same that you would get from the normal Play Store, but without the Play Store, which is, I think, pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!